Taipei 101, once the world's tallest building, rises 1,667 feet above Taiwan's capital, but its height is not the only thing that makes it remarkable. Located just 200 meters from a major fault line in a region battered by typhoons, this skyscraper needed an ingenious solution to survive nature's fury. Engineers designed a flexible structure, but the true hero is invisible from the outside, a massive pendulum hidden within the tower's core. This device, known as a tuned mass damper, is the building's silent guardian, ready to counteract the most violent shakes and gusts. Construction of Taipei 101 began in 1997, with the first tower column erected in 2001. During construction, a major earthquake struck on March 31, 2002, causing 2 cranes to fall from the 56th floor, killing 5 workers. However, the building itself remained structurally undamaged, proving its resilience even before completion. The tower was completed in 2004 and officially opened on December 31, 2004, with a grand ceremony featuring popular singers. It replaced the Petronas Towers as the world's tallest building, a title it held until 2010. Did you know that Taipei 101 houses the world's largest and heaviest tuned mass damper? This golden sphere weighs a staggering 660 metric tons and measures 5.5 meters in diameter. It is made of 41 layers of solid steel plates, each 12.5 centimeters thick, welded together. Suspended from 92 steel cables, each containing over 2,000 individual wires, the damper can swing up to 1.5 meters to counter the building's movements. It reduces sway by up to 40%, ensuring comfort and safety even during the most powerful earthquakes and typhoons. The damper's technical name is a tuned mass damper, and it works by oscillating out of phase with the building's natural frequency. Engineers designed it to withstand gale winds of 60 meters per second and tremors from earthquakes that frequently shake Taiwan. The damper sits between the 87th and 92nd floors and is visible to visitors, serving as both a functional tool and a tourist attraction. The damper has been tested many times. In August 2015, Typhoon Soudler caused the ball to swing a record 100 centimeters, the largest movement ever recorded. During a magnitude 6.1 earthquake in April 2019, it moved 20 centimeters. Even a 7.4 magnitude quake in April 2024 saw the damper swing significantly, protecting the building and its occupants. Engineers designed the damper to handle extreme events, with a bumper ring limiting the swing to 150 centimeters. These events prove that the pendulum works exactly as intended, absorbing energy and converting it into harmless motion. The damper's performance has been monitored closely, and data shows it has prevented structural damage during numerous earthquakes and typhoons. For instance, during the 2002 earthquake during construction, the building's resilience was already evident. The damper is part of a broader structural system that includes a mega-column design and outrigger trusses, making Taipei 101 one of the safest skyscrapers ever built. Taipei 101's damper not only saved the building during multiple earthquakes, but also became a beloved symbol. Visitors can view the golden sphere from an observatory between the 88th and 92nd floors, watching it sway in real time. The city even created a mascot called Damper Baby, turning engineering marvel into a pop culture icon. This 4 million device has ensured that Taipei 101 remains standing tall, a testament to human ingenuity in the face of nature's power. It's not just a building, it's a lesson in resilience. The observatory, Taiwan's highest, offers panoramic views of Taipei and a close-up look at the damper. Educational panels explain the science behind it, and a gift shop sells damper-themed souvenirs. Damper's popularity reflects the pride Taipei residents take in their iconic skyscraper, which symbolizes the city's ability to innovate and thrive despite natural hazards.